In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links and buttons for your Squarespace page. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and go to your site by clicking the site title. This takes you into the site editor where you can make changes that will appear on your live pages. Give the editor a moment to load so all the design tools and page panels are available. Once you're on the page where you want a link or call to action, click the button option. This adds a button block to your layout. Buttons are great for driving visitors to important pages, sign-up forms, or products. You'll see fields to customize the button text and choose where it links. Use the on-screen prompts to adjust what's highlighted. Type a short, clear label for the button, like "Learn more" or "Get started," so visitors immediately understand what it does. Then click the link field that's highlighted to open the link picker. This is where you connect the button to an existing page on your site, a specific URL, or other content. In the link picker, click Main Navigation to view the pages that are visible in your site's primary menu. These are usually your most important pages and are easy for visitors to find. If the page you want isn't there, click Hidden Navigation. Hidden pages don't show in your main menu, but they're still published and can be linked to, which is perfect for landing pages, thank you pages, or special offers. Select the page you want by clicking on the entry labeled New Page. You'll see it become active in the picker. Continue by following the highlighted prompts to confirm your choice. Make sure the correct destination is shown in the link field and that your button text still reads the way you want. If you see additional highlighted controls, use them to finalize the button settings before closing the panel. With your button set, look over the page in the editor to confirm the link appears where you expect. The interface will guide you with highlights to finish up any remaining confirmations. When everything looks good, click Save. This applies your changes to the live site. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep button text short and action-oriented. Link to the most relevant page for the next step you want visitors to take, and preview the page to test the link after saving. The same link picker you just used also powers text links inside text blocks, so your approach here will feel familiar anywhere you add a link on your site. That's it.